So the field technicians are extremely important to our operations as they're the face of our company to the homeowners and residents. You know, these are guys and gals that have passed police background checks and that are competent in delivering the services and getting it done quickly and efficiently so as to disrupt the homeowner and resident as little as possible.
They're the face of Metercor. They're providing the actual physical work, so very important that they have a good appearance and are professional.
Field technicians are involved with the installation of meters or the replacement of meters when the municipality decides to upgrade and put different meters in the houses. And they're involved in making that change occur.
A couple of things that make Metercor's field technicians different than some of the competitors are that they're long-term employees of ours that have found a great place to work. But they've all passed police background checks. They're in marked vehicles, Metercor-owned vehicles.
We drive branded vehicles, so you know who we are. We come with a Metercor vehicle, and we also have tags that identify us as qualified technicians, and so that you know who you can trust to do the work in your home.
We have a training program, so our technicians go out and train for a few weeks with a senior trainer, and we try to keep one person doing most of the training so it's consistent. They go through a safety orientation and they work with someone for the first week or so once they're on their own.
Metercor technicians are trained. I'm a lead technician, so I do some of the training. So when we bring on a new technician on board, he goes through an orientation in shop and at the facility. But we also do on-site training where he will be shadowing me at first, doing exchanges in all kinds of different homes, different scenarios. His work is verified, and then he is also monitored once he's out in the field.
Metercor's training is extensive for our field service reps, and so what that means is that they will see in the course of their training a wide variety, in fact, of different plumbing scenarios in residential settings, and that's due to the age of the homes and that type of stuff. But additionally, we hire and employ plumbers and journeyman technicians that are able to complete large commercial installations, and our project managers and senior management have all got the expertise to be able to identify any risks that are associated with a particular job so that we can get the job done the way that it's intended to be done.
They start out by coming in the office and they pick up their supplies, meters and supplies that they need for the day, and they have their iPads always loaded so they know where they're going that day, what their schedule looks like, where they need to be, and what size of types of meters they need for the day.
The technician has a list of the sites that he's going to have to go to throughout the day. He has this information the night before. So in the morning he would grab everything he needs from the office, from the shop, meters, extra tools, whatever he needs, and already has a lot of equipment on board to face any scenario he may see throughout the day.
They go out, they do their work. They're actually quite flexible. Their hours aren't set in stone because every day is different for them.
Metercor takes a lot of pride in getting the services completed on the first attempt. So all of the vehicles are fully stocked with every fitting and meter that you can imagine, so that they are actually going to be able to get the appointment completed on the first try. We know before we go in there that it could be any number of situations, and so the trucks are fully loaded at all times.
We do make sure that everything is done right from beginning to end. As we're installing new transmitters, we want to make sure that the data is received properly at the receiver so that the municipality can make proper checks. We also take pictures of the meters when we go in and also when we leave, so we have all the data on hand. The old readings, any numbers that may be serial numbers, tag numbers, so that can be linked with the municipality and make sure that we have the correct information.
The field service technicians are responsible for both getting the hardware, but then additionally collecting quite a bit of data, being that the existing meters were removed and the final reads and that type of stuff, and then from deploying the new equipment and all the asset management that's involved there.
They look after the data side on the iPads. They record everything and barcode scan the information that they can. Basically, the iPad is their tool for getting the job done for the data collection.
That data all comes back to our project managers for quality assurance, and then is communicated back to the utilities. We want homeowners to be extremely comfortable so that when our technicians come to their home that this is going to be a very comfortable situation. We're going to come in and get the service completed quickly and efficiently and with a friendly smile.